because we like so like an issue. So we'll do it sige. Alright? Okay na? Sige. Okay. Bukas siguro ito tayo mo.
Mabanta ka ba na?
So once again, first one of the finishers of 3K category will receive their finisher. Alright, at the second finisher, 3K category. 3K category, 410 Juliet, finish! Congratulations! And here goes our third finisher for 3K, 1179. Congratulations! Yan yung our t-shirt. Wow, nagsubo na naman ang mga finishers sa 3K category. Okay, here goes another finisher, 3K category. Nagpanalo na for 1148. Congratulations! Alright, so get your shirt. Okay. 3K, another finisher. 1, 2, 3, 6. Finish! Okay, that's how it's going to look. Congratulations. Alright, another finisher. 3K category. Alright, sa ato mga finisher, after the cross ng t-shirt, please proceed sa ato third party and food bar booth to get your food or your snacks. Okay, yeah. Balik din. Sa nakakay food stations no, sa bar, beside pit bar, nakakay food station. So, after finishing, sa ito mga finishers, kuhain yung t-shirt and proceed to the food station. Okay, so nagyan na pag-abot ito mga finishers no, sa 3K category. So, una dito sila, ganyan ang 3K finishers. Okay. Alright, finishers, 3K. At ito sa 3K na po. 3K. Okay. Congratulations once again, finishers. Get your shirt and proceed to the food station. Nakatapat sa pit bar na booth. Congratulations to all of the finishers. First 250 finishers for 3K category will receive t-shirts. Okay, now sa mga finishers, sa awa sa babaw, kung mga sa category, 3K. Okay, siguro. Finishers, get your shirts and proceed to the food station. Congratulations. Okay, once again, congratulations sa itong mga finishers. Also, thank you din kayo sa itong mga supporters no, sa mga runners na natin karoon itanaw sa itong fun run. Sa itong 46th Alan Gaman Amon Run. Thank you so much for joining us here at mga bisita. So, dito na din kita namin umatang ang skill-kill pag-atang sa itong mga finishers. Okay. Tara sa mga nakanya na 3K, 6K, and 12K. Wala na po inaabot sa 3 kilometers, kaya pa sila. Alright, finishers for 3 kilometer category. Lahos. Alright. Nakakabot ko lang sa 6K yung category. Wala pa mga 3K finishers. Okay, lahasan. Finishers. Congratulations. Your shirts. First, 250 finishers of 60 your shirt. You will receive a shirt. Also, finishers, after getting your shirts, proceed mo sa ice station. Nalang nila sa dapit sa foot bar or properly sweat na booth. Okay, nagsugunod para ba ito mga finishers sa 6 kilometer category. Okay.
Bye-bye. So guys,
okay, another finisher, 6K category, our second finisher for the 6K category. Congratulations. Sige, get your shirt na, sir, and go to the food station afterwards. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
So, ito yung makapili po na itong mga gold hour, mga runners na enjoy. Wow! Dapat yung mga... Yes! Okay, third finisher in the 6K category, please take note. Okay, finishers, make sure lang analista yung klaro sa itong mga checkers na nakalilis ang finisher line sa grade. Mga na-take note yung mga numbers. Okay. 3K finishers, and there they go. Congratulations. Alright. Alright, so mga finishers going from 3 km and 6 km. Okay, wait. Ano ba yung finishers sa 12 km? Wala pa. Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Alright, makita natin itong mga finishers, no? They're cooling out.
Congratulations, David.
Alright, 60.
Six, nice.
Okay, once again, congratulations to mga finishers. I hope you guys got your shirts. First 250 sa 3K, first 250 finishers for 6K will get their shirts. And 150 first finishers will get their shirts sa 12K category.
Tricky. Buwaw siya!
Dagan!
Make sure your numbers are being checked sa top checkers as you finish the line. Take note, okay? Sige. Make sure your numbers or your race days were checked by the checkers for the finish line. So once again, congratulations din mo, of course, ito na, sige. 26 halat na mga run. And of course, for senior player Mix Dorado. Otherwise, we're running to Dorado the third. Honorable Ivy Dorado, the members of the Sangguniang Panunsod. Thank you so much.
Buwaw siya!
Okay, aging
Babae siya!
4103 picture. Once again, 4103, now city resident, BK Men. Please proceed to the post registration. Once again, winner 4103, finisher 4103, BK and Barry, now city resident. Please proceed to the post registration area, 4103. Uy! Ilagan ko na lang ako sa mga kauulan sa information office na Christian. Congratulations. Okay. Ilagan ko nito ni siya kaya na-make sure siya dito sa nangangalan ko. No? Thank you so much, Christian, one of our public information officers.
Oy, babae grade, usa!
Okay, ako na sa limit pasalamatan. Pasalamatan. Of course, ang energetic na rin namin karoon. Ako na sinabi City Sports Commission, Sir Oscar Boyin, the Beatles Jr. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, our head of City Sports Development Office, Sir Vincent Carlos Subito. And our Danao City Traffic Management Office, thank you so much. Nasa sa kailangan ng making sure our runners are safe on the road. So much, Danao City Traffic Management Office. And of course, Sir Chick Reyes, head of the CDR and all. Thank you so much. Stand by sa labing. Kung sa mga stations, making sure they're ready, more than ready, in case an emergency happen. Thank you for the head of the CDG office, Engineer Reset. Thank you so much. And sa mga barangay chairman ng mga barangay, mga barangay alos, dalawang salamat. Honorable Sir Barangay Chairman, Sir June Casa of Barangay Suba. And Sir Dax Banzon of Poblacion, Barangay Chairman, Nilo Patwad Jr. of Taytay, Barangay Chairman Tito Putol of Ginsay, and Barangay Chairman of Barangay of Dunduan. Thank you so much. Of course, dagang salamat po sa mga sponsors. Amit, Praise Danao, Green Hills Farms Incorporated, Bitbar, and Pocari Sweat. Thank you so much. And congratulations to our finishers. Okay. So far, mga 3K and 6K finishers pa ang mga boto. Congratulations. Okay, let's first finishers sa pool. Congratulations, sir. Okay. So guys, na naman tayo first finishers sa 12K. Magsubsub na at ang mga finishers sa 12K category. Wow! Grabe, kaya na minutes. Magulak pa na 1 hour, no? Natulog na nila ang 12K. 12 kilometers. Amazing. Okay. Congratulations to all our finishers. Laban!
Mabot siya mga top 3 minutes.
Okay, another finisher for the 12K category. Congratulations. So once again, sa mga finishers, please get your shirts. And okay, balik ko ang pagkato, no? KG Racer or Runner please proceed to the post-registration tent. 4103, Danao City resident, 3K category male. 3K male category. Asa naman si runner 4103. Please proceed to the post-registration tent. Alright, yay! Dagan! Okay, finisher sa 6K. And 3K. Kumusta man yung dagan mga answer? Okay, so tuna out. And standby. Hangat-hangat ng pagtanong, finisher, tanawag, at tudagan ng iyong category ng 40K, 6K, and 12K. Sige, Dagan, go! Congratulations for finishing the race. Alright. So, ito na po, runner 4103, 3K male category. The Danao City resident, please proceed to the post-registration tent. Runner 4103, nakita mo ni runner 4103 niya, please pakatuwa sa post-registration tent. Hangat-hangat runners at tulagan sa finish line ninyo ang category 3K. Ayan, 6K at 12K. Okay. Congratulations. Lahos! Alright, hangat-hangat! Ito sa inyo ang finisher category. 3K at 3K, 3K at 3K. Congratulations to all the finishers. You may get your shirts.
Yellow siya, yellow!
Okay, other finishers at home, congratulations. Finishers, get your shirts and make sure your numbers are being checked by our checkers. And you may proceed with the station and the sa 5th bar at Focal booth. Okay, Dagan, finishers! Hangat! Ato sa 3K, ato sa 6K! Kanya, alright, congratulations.
Yellow.
Sir, pwede mo nilagamay live. Okay, thank you.
Okay, once again sa mga finishers, congratulations. Sinahawan mo sa race in less
Oh, yellow sa babay!
less than an hour.
By the way, no, balikod lang yun.
Ay, dito!
Okay, ayun na lang ako sa mga finishers. Only the first 150 finishers will receive shirts sa 12-kilometer category. First 250 finishers sa 6-kilometer category.
Yellow sa!
First 250 finishers sa 3-kilometer category. So kung wala ng t-shirt, that means wala naman nakaabot sa 250 na count, okay? So only
yellow, sir.
250. Okay, once again, paging Racer 4103 from the 3K male category. The now senior resident, please proceed sa itong post-registration tent. Your attention is being called right now. Guys, kung nakakita mo yung runner 4103, please pato ang post-registration tent palihog.
Orange na!
Lord. Hi, sir.
Hi, Sir Juan. Good morning. Okay.
Sige, runner, sagad, haghagan, ato mo sa 3K, ato mo sa 6K.
Employee unit. Finisher. Race number 2009 will finish 31 minutes and 57 seconds. Wow. Congratulations, is Desiree Manco. Kapala natin everybody.
Liza, go!
Desiree Manco. Okay. Second
Kuyog Dimas Marquez.
finisher for PKC Unit. Race number 2010 finish. There is only 26 minutes and 54 seconds. Miss Annalyn Lawas. Pagpapin na to. Congratulations. Thank you. And our 3K employee women category first finisher. Who finished the race in just 26 minutes and 48 seconds. Congratulations, race number 2001, Miss Cherry Rose Lata.
Ate Che!
Wow. Okay. Congratulations. You will receive a medal, a cash prize, and a
Amen.
Frederick, thank you so much for giving the award, sir. Inside Singapore and Sir Frederick, Rodriguez Jr. Okay, picture. Alright, thank you so much sa pananalig sa ating company finishers sa 3K Sigaw. Okay, now, let's award the 3K Sigaw
Ang
Alright, third finisher, 3K Sigaw Employment category. He finished the race in only 28 minutes and 22 seconds. Race number 2208, congratulations, Sir Pat Enriquez. Congratulations, Sir Pat. And second finisher, Seal Koinan 3K category. He finished the race in only 26 minutes and 4 seconds. Let's give a big hand to race number 2003, Sir Isidro Lavador.
Kaya! Dudong!
Our first finisher, PKCO Employment category.
Dudong!
Finished the race in only 20 minutes.
Wait, sa kamera na ba? Hi! Wala, mas birthday.
Congratulations, sir. Vincent Paulo Civico.
Idol!
Setting the example, you guys is this our head.
Katawa na nung pinakita ang sa Kipon!
Congratulations, sir.
Anak!
Paulo Civico. Your picture, okay, see a cash prize, a fit bar look back. Thank you so much, Sir Frederick.
Ayos ka, Dudong!
I got it. Alright, congratulations.
Kuya!
Let's proceed to the 3K, the now senior resident women. 3K, the now senior resident women. Third finisher, who finished the race in just 24 minutes and 9 seconds. Race number 1470. Congratulations, Miss Liquid Rose Flores. Pagpapalala, guys. Thank you so much. Second finisher, Kika Ganassi was in red. She finished the race in just 23 minutes and 59 seconds. Wow! Race number 150 is Vivian Pereira. Congratulations, Miss Vivian. And our first finisher, Then 3K, the Ramos City resident, who finished the race in only 21 minutes and 5 seconds. Congratulations, ace number 1465, Miss Trisha Arellano. Let's see your hand. Wow, girl power it is. Congratulations. Receiving the cash prize in the middle. And look back from Pit Bar. Thank you and congratulations. Alright, once again, thank you guys sa mga sponsors po kami Second Video Stars Incorporated, Pit Bar, Queenstown, Danao. Okay, 3K Danao Senior Resident men. Finishers, third on the spot. He finished the race in only 18 minutes and 17 seconds. Grabe. Race number 1107. Sir John, Jane, and Ella, congratulations. Okay, the second finisher, 3K Danao Senior Resident men, who finished the race in only, Camarga Gigas, 18 minutes and 8 seconds. Race number 4103, Sir Kevin Clark Takoy. Congratulations, Sir Kevin Clark Takoy. And our top one finisher, 3K Danao Senior Resident men. He finished the race in only, wow, 17 minutes and 34 seconds. Race number 1171. Congratulations, Sir Ryan Ariel Mayor. Okay, congratulations. I apologize if I mispronounce your names, guys. Thank you so much and congratulations. Oh yeah, para lang ito mga finishers at mga award na ito pag nagkausap kayo mag-opportunity tanang finishers. Okay? Tanang finishers, at mga award na sa pag-uli, mga naman sir, mag-picture taking ka, photo off sa tanang itong finishers. Okay? So, mga organizers na ito na niya, mga staff, ayaw mapangilihan yung mga finishers. Okay, let's proceed sa itong 6K category. 6K City Hall employee women. Alright, top 3 on the spot. Finishing the race only 45 minutes and 54 seconds. Congratulations! Race number 2424, Miss Tessa Lolita Salino. Congratulations! Wow, alright. And second on the spot. Second on the spot. City Hall employee women 6K category. Finishing the race only 45 seconds. Sorry, 45 minutes and 27 seconds. Congratulations, race number 2451, Miss Genevieve Olivar. Alright, let's give me that, Miss Genevieve Olivar, everybody. And our top one, our first finisher, 6K Single Employee Women. Okay, she race only 39 minutes and 55 seconds. Congratulations, race number 2401, Miss Reggie Lavor. Alright, let's go with that, Miss Reggie. Great power. Okay, receiving a feedback back.
Amel!
Very much for sa mga sa kanya, di dapat kapunan. Congratulations, finishers. Women, 6K. Okay, again, stand by na naman ito mga finishers natin. May opportunity na ka ng finishers. I hope you listen. Alright, 6K Single Employee men. Congratulations, third on the spot, finishing the race in 35 minutes and 15 seconds. Race number 2635, Sir June Pagawag, congratulations. Asa si Sir June Pagawag? 6K Single Employee men. Okay, congratulations, sir. And second, finisher, 6K Single Employee men. Finishing the race in 34 minutes and 31 seconds. Congratulations, race number 2621, Sir Tristan Blair Bariga. Tristan Lane Bariga. Sir, congratulations. And our first finisher, 6K Single Employee man category. Finishing the race in 30 minutes and 38 seconds. Race number 2610, Sir Glenn Perez. Congratulations, Pakpaka namin, Sir Glenn. Congratulations. Let's proceed to sige, take a picture. Okay, receiving a gift valued by prize and a medal. Sir Vincent Silico and Sir Vladimir Rodriguez Jr. Thank you so much. Wait. Alright. Okay. Now, 6K category, the Now City resident women. Third on the spot, finishing the race in just 37 minutes and 15 seconds. Race number 892, congratulations, Miss Richie Orosio. Pagpapalo, Miss Richie Orosio, thank you so much, congratulations. Okay. Second, finisher. Finishing the race in just 36 minutes. Race number 95, Miss Shahani Maksala. Congratulations, Miss Shahani. Okay, first finisher. 6K category, the Now City resident women. Finishing the race in just 30 minutes and 46 seconds. Congratulations, race number 810, Miss Marlene Hernan. Pagpakalap to guys. Wow. Ano si Miss Marlene? Already aired. Kaya rin si Miss Marlene, oh? Okay. Congratulations. Alright. Our finishers receiving a flip down, thank you so much, represented by Sir Frederick. And they'll also be receiving a cash prize and a medal. Alright, let's proceed to the 6K, the Now City resident men. 6K category. Third on the spot. Finishing the race in just 25 minutes and 20 seconds. Race number 621. Congratulations, Sir Harold Kim Hiao. Sir Harold Kim Hiao. Congratulations. How the is sir? Congrats, sir. 6K, the Now City resident man. Second finisher. Finishing the race in just 24 minutes and 46 seconds. Congratulations. Race number 3528, Sir Junior Clarita. Sir Junior. Congratulations, sir. Okay, and finally, our first finisher, 6K category, the Now City resident man. Finishing the race in just 23 minutes and 47 seconds. Congratulations, race number 3511, Sir Johnson Vince Andao. Congratulations.
Robot!
Once again, finishers
Robot! Robot! Please, come on!
Alright, once again, congratulations. Guys, magpapala ko pag-agusa. Thank you so much. Thank you guys at the Now City Hall residents and the Now City residents joining the 3K and 6K category. Congratulations. Okay. Now let's proceed to award our bisita category. So let's first award the 12K Open Women category. Finishing the race in just 12K and 12K category women. So that was salamat sa mga finishing the race in just 1 hour and 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Race number 306. Congratulations, Miss Irene Bascones. Miss Irene Bascones. Wow, congratulations. And second on the spot, finishing the 12K category, open women. Finishing race in just 58 minutes and 50 seconds. Race number 301, Miss Rhea May Roble. Congratulations, Miss Rhea May Roble. Miss Rhea, is she here? Again, our second on the spot, second finisher, 12K Open Women, Miss Rhea May Roble. Siguro dyan si Miss Rhea. Okay, sige. First finisher sa 12K Open Women. Finishing the race in just 56 minutes and 39 seconds. Race number 307, Miss Shirley Bird. Miss Shirley, congratulations! Again, ang second finisher is Miss Rhea May Roble. Paging Miss Rhea May Roble, she here. Our representative perhaps? Our representative? Wala na, okay, let's proceed.
Napay na paano yung kagat ito yung lawas. Wag yan. Pongko gamay!
Sige, pwede ba ba? Padalikot siya. Padalikot si Miss Rhea.
Ay, bang nakaw?
Okay. Okay. Wait lang. Naawa na. Okay, paliwag pa sa sige. Congratulations once again sa itong mga finishers. Sige, let's proceed. Sige, let's proceed to our 12K Open category, men. Nagandang salamat, ma'am. For joining.
Finisher gitu?
Sige. Alright. 12K Open, men. Picture. Smile. Okay, the smile of victory. Welcome to Miss Rhea. Sige, okay na. Let's proceed na lang. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay, 12K Open, men. Third on the spot. Finishing the race in just 34 minutes and 27 seconds. Race number 3045. Congratulations, Mr. Eric Shepsiror. I hope I pronounced the last name right. Congratulations to the international players. So congratulations, sir. Alright. Second on the spot. Finishing the race in just 34 minutes. Hello. Okay. Race number 3205. Sir Jovan Bensing Banging. Ano ba pangalan ni Sir Jovan? Ano si Sir Jovan? Okay. Congratulations, sir. Grabe na, 12 kilometers. Huwag na nilagyan kadali. Actually, sila pa lang 34 minutes sila na human. Second, sila ginagalang yunta. Okay. First finisher, 12K Open men. Finishing the race in just 34 minutes and 6 seconds. Race number 304. Let's give a big hand to Mr. Joey Lee. Prince Joey Lee. Okay, big hand everybody. Congratulations. Alright, all three of them finished the race in 34 minutes. Seconds rin ang ginta. Ang third is 34 minutes and 27. Ang second 34 and 15. And 34 and 6 minutes si Sir Prince Joey Lee. Okay, now, calling all the finishers. Pag opportunity na dahil dapat sa finish line. Top 3 winners from all categories. Calling all top 3 finishers from all categories. Please come here sa finish line. Let's take a photo. Guys, faster. 12K, 3K, 6K, top 3 finishers. Photo opportunity. Sige, find your camera na lang.